Popular Nigerian activist VeryDarkMan has sparked massive reactions online after sharing romantic moments with a mystery woman, and now is hinting at what could be one of the biggest weddings Nigeria has ever seen. Nigerian social media activist Martins Vincent Otte, widely known as VeryDarkMan (VDM), has set tongues wagging following a romantic post shared on his Instagram page. The post featured cozy photos and a short video of the activist with a mystery lover, believed to be his new partner. Although her face was carefully hidden, the intimate moment quickly drew attention across social media platforms. Shortly after the post, VeryDarkMan appeared in a video with socialite Isaac Fayoshe, where he openly discussed potential wedding plans. According to him, if he eventually ties the knot, the ceremony would be nothing short of massive. He hinted that the wedding would take place in Nigeria and it could be hosted in a stadium. There will be no formal invitation and everyone will be welcome to attend.
Okay, Uncle Ilo. Uncle Ilo. Brings me joy. She proves this love is real. Within my heart. That wedding in Nigeria. It will be like Mecca. People go. There will be some peace there. Naija Stadium. You can't even do it in Nigeria. Naija Stadium. No, I will never do it abroad. If I will do a wedding, it must be in Nigeria. Must. No, maybe traditional in Nigeria. In everything. Church wedding, I will tell them give me stadium. It's so crowded. I will tell them give me stadium. Even stadium, they have a problem. Yes, stadium. I'll tell them free entry. Stadium. Free entry. Because why would I want to? I will not go. Even stadium. It's gonna be random. Yeah, but I don't mind. The rascals need to be there. Everybody needs to. Yeah. There's no invitation, The beautiful girl gonna make her head shake. I look into the mirror, all I do is say, and the mama, all I say is, don't do any music with Bobby P Square. Number one in the game, what we gonna be, yeah. We're talking money, yeah, you talking nonsense. To my baby girl. Got the big trucks everywhere. You only live once and that's the end. All your negative energy feed cancer. I can look into your eyes for my whole life. We can make love on the whole night. Take my hand, baby, rose there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Mama, oh, yeah, let me see you. Oh, mama, let me see you. Daddy, let me see you. Sister, let me see you. Let me see you. Child, yeah, yeah. So be square, Paul and Peter. Thank God I know the both of you. You guys are performing. You guys are definitely performing. Style Plus are performing. Wandiko is definitely singing. 100%. Wandiko is singing. Who else is singing? Chella is singing. Yeah, Chella is definitely singing. Chella is singing. I don't want to see Coco P there. It's too Osime will be juggling football. Today not to be the MC. Yeah, today not to be the MC. Uncle Isaac will be doing what again? What's Uncle Isaac doing? There's one person I know that is definitely supposed to sing. They are definitely going to play Today Will Be the happiest day. The happiest day of your life. My Brenda Party. You which song are they playing? Just talking about the one I'm going to play. How about you? What are they playing?
Is that the one?
There's somebody here, I can't remember. Tosi Martins will sing, of course.
Okay, yeah.
Sonny Neji will sing, of course. Emma Abaga, yeah? Yeah, Emma Abaga and Waji definitely will sing. When I don't want to, when I don't want to need you. Baby, you got me. Hey, princess, I'm so into you. Yeah. God. Oh, the genie is singing. And it's definitely singing Pamper You. The genie is definitely gonna sing Pamper You. Yes. Open it, let me play Pamper You. There's no way the genie is not gonna sing Pamper You. She just don't want it. After the show, now the party from my room. Strictly for me. Sorry, let me just. The genie.
20 billion. Over 15. Then it over 60.
Universal man could ask more. The genie is definitely singing. You're the only one I need. Yeah. This not heaven, this not pure joy.
Okay, 12 billion.
It is sweet to me for me. If they told me that will be here, now you'll be here. Make them pinch me well. Make them pinch me well, them pinch me well. Wake me up so. Shame that you be easy. Yeah.
Okay.
I just wanna make you feel. Papa, you love me. Oh yeah, just lie on my body. Oh yeah, you feel it, yeah? You feel it, yeah? I just wanna. Then of course Jeremiah Gang and Asha. Jeremiah Gang and Asha. Jeremiah Gang and Asha will definitely do comforter song. Yeah. You're the reason why I sing this song. My heart is on fire.
You sing for us.
I'll sing now. My song. Portable,
His comment have fueled speculation about a large high-profile celebration involving fans, friends, and supporters nationwide. As expected, fans and followers reacted swiftly. While many congratulated the activist and expressed excitement over the news, others joked about logistics, food, and ashwebi for the anticipated celebration. The identity of the mystery woman remains unknown, further increasing curiosity online. Once again, the woman's face was carefully concealed, keeping fans guessing. So is VeryDarkMan wedding really loading? And will everybody truly be there? Share your thoughts respectfully in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more celebrity updates and trending stories. Keep watching Naija News TV.